Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Moak, and this is my MegaDesk demo for week 3 for CIP 365. For this application, we needed to create just the beginning kind of template for this MegaDesk application that we'll be putting together in the next couple of weeks. What we needed to do was make this main menu here. We have the add new quote, the view quotes, the search quotes, and the exit, as well as I added an image just kind of as a stylistic appeal. If you click on, say, view quotes, it connects over to a view all quotes page, which we will be developing later on in the semester. If I click cancel, it will take me back out to the main menu. And again, if I click search quotes, it does the same. And then add new quote is where we're going to spend most of our time in this video. So for this video, or for this application, we needed to be able to add a quote. I don't have the entire functionality done, as we didn't have to have everything done for this week. But the main thing we needed to have done this week was the validation on the width and the depths, because we have a regular text box here, and we needed to make sure that you couldn't add any characters that weren't a integer, as well as within the range of 24 inches and 96. So for the width here, if I were to put in, say, 0 for the width and try and move off, it would say, hey, that's not right. Width must be between 24 inches and 96 inches. So then I can say, oh, okay, I need to go in and put in like 28 inches. Let me delete that, 28 inches. And then it will highlight green to show, hey, that's right, you're within the acceptable range. For the desk depth, we needed to allow it to not have any integers. So if I start typing on the keyboard here, you'll notice my cursor stops blinking and nothing was put in. But if I start typing an integer here, I get 3, I can get 7, and that's within the acceptable range. But I can't type in any just, regular, I can't type anything in. Something else is I've made it such that the program tells me that it is required. I'm just realizing that I have the word width in there instead of height on accident, because I copied it over. I need to fix that. But basically, it allows you to check really quickly, hey, that's not in the range, I need to add something in the range, and then it will allow the program to continue. If I, say, went in here and tried to put in like 0, it would let me know that wasn't right. And if I try and type something in any of these other boxes, I can't. The focus is stuck right here until I fix it, which is actually a really nice feature. So, we haven't gone into the number of drawers or the name or anything else yet, or how to submit the form and actually add the quote. That'll probably end up being next week or the week after. We just needed to check the validation. So I can now hit cancel, and I can click exit, and it takes me out of the application. Thanks for watching, and I hope that works for my demo.